Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube tutorial. Today, we're going to learn quickly how to share a YouTube link from one of your videos. Very short and very quick. We're going to start out by getting to our studio. So when you start out on YouTube, sometimes it's tricky to find because your studio is not right there, and sometimes you can't find your library. It's difficult. I like to go into Studio the old-fashioned way by going studio.youtube.com, and this will take me directly to my library right here. It's the second button down, and here are my videos. So from there, I can just click on a video, go to my options, and get the shareable link right here. It is seriously that easy. Get the shareable link, and then I can post it out on an email. I can post it on Google Classroom, on one of my classrooms, and I can also share it out over Google Meets. So 3 nice, easy, quick ways to share a video. Also, if you want to share an outside video, somebody else's YouTube video, you can click on that and actually open it up. And I like to pause the ads and go right down here to the share button right underneath your video. So this is somebody else's random video I clicked on. I click on the share button, and then I can copy that paste. Now the trick for us here in Bo is that the videos will mostly be blocked unless they're our own videos and you have your channel whitelisted. So if you're going to use other people's videos, you'll have to go through the proper channels of getting it cleared with the web. And that's probably going to apply to most schools, to be honest. So there it is. It's that quick and easy. And I thank you for stopping by, and see you next time.